Welcome to Wednesday's Thought for the Day. Please take a bit of time now to at least read Luke 20, verses 1 to 8. As we walk with Jesus and his disciples through this Passion Week, we find Jesus, far from mollifying the authorities, actually keeping the pressure up, challenging their authority with his. They can't let this go without their counter-challenge. Who gave you this authority? They were the paper tigers to the Lion of Judah that was Jesus. Our other passage in 1 Samuel has a similar scenario. The ones wielding the authority, or trying to, were the crooked sons of Eli, Hophni and Phinehas. But the real authority lay in a young boy, Samuel. We've already met these false and ungodly leaders this week. The mini empires they built have gone and they're forgotten. But, as the psalmist says, great are the works of the Lord. They are pondered by all who delight in them. He has caused his wonders to be remembered. The Lord is gracious and compassionate. The works of the Lord's hands are faithful and just. They are steadfast for ever and ever, done in faithfulness and uprightness. To him belongs eternal praise. And we need to rest in his authority and his security and find our peace, which is his peace. A prayer. Father, let me rest in your authority and under your eternal protection. Amen.